y'all. Just wanted to do a little recap on what went on, you know, in Vegas. So basically, we arrived there Friday, you know, got inside the SUV, got at the hotel. First day, the toilet started flooding, okay? We had to wait, you know, I mean, forever for the plumber dude or whatever to come. He finally came in there, fixed the toilet. We moved to a different room. They forgot who they reserved the room to and lost my name. So it was almost like it was someone imaginary staying up in there. They didn't know what was going on, but hey, we still stayed. That night, we went to the T.I. and Young Jeezy party. Talked to T.I., Young Jeezy, Young Dro, Hot Rod. We talked to Kenan Thompson from Saturday Night Live. Man. And then the next night, we went to the Liberace Mansion. Alright? And then after that, we took off, went to the P. Diddy party. Went inside the P. Diddy party, mingled with everybody, got on stage. We were the only people broadcasting from the Bay Area. And we had this perfect party because we having so much fun. Hey, we hosting the party. Even TV hosting the party, y'all. That's what it is. There was no other media from the Bay trying to capture what was going on. Okay, and that Saturday night when Diddy was there, he gave so much love to the Bay.
Hey yo, SNS, I ain't never seen no shit like that in my life. I've been partying for a long motherfucking time.
These niggas partying.
Yeah. Now the Bay Area know how to motherfucking party. Word the fuck up.
Playing all nothing but Bay music. Shout out to DJ SNS for playing all that Bay music. That was great. He also looked gorgeous too, so but you know. And then what happened? Sunday was actual Bay night. And you know, that was cool, whatnot. DJ Biz Markie was up there DJing. We got on stage again. Got some footage of him doing the DJ thing and stuff. Talked to a few people there. My boy Smurf got pulled off stage, you know, by some girl, whatever. So he was getting his freak on, you know. Shout out to Smurf. So, you know, the whole trip was great. We did everything we wanted to. We accomplished everything, me and my team. Shout out to everybody for helping out. You know, couldn't have done it without you, Lingo, Smurf. And, hey, we worked that red carpet. Shout out to Donna Torrance at Media Savvy PR for letting me and my crew get up in there. Because, hey, without her, all this would have never happened at all. Shout out to Jackie O, the other publicist that was there who was trying to help, you know, help me talk to some of the people, which was like Too Short. Lil Uno from the Pack, shout out to you. Thanks for, you know, coming to Diva TV and talking to the cam and whatnot. Beast Music, shout out to y'all. You know, shoot, everybody out there who came on the red carpet. Ice-T, shout out to Ice-T and his girl. You know, y'all really show love to my camera. So, and shout out to everybody who gave, you know, who showed Diva TV some love while we were there. That's all that mattered. Because easily, they could have just walked across the red carpet, but they stopped by to say what's up to Diva TV and show the base some love, and that was the most important thing. So thank you, and I hope everybody enjoys what I taped in Vegas and what I'm bringing back to the Bay, because that's the most important thing, is putting the Bay on the map. Diva TV.